AI technology expected to revolutionize industries worldwide.
New AI system helps diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy.
AI robots begin taking over jobs in manufacturing and retail industry. It's expected to
AI innovations helping to fight climate change and protect the environment.
The recent advancements in AI technology have been nothing short of groundbreaking, with the applications spanning from healthcare to retail to climate change, from autonomous vehicles to chatbots to medical imaging tools. AI is transforming the way we live and work. As more and more industries adopt AI, the possibilities for innovation are limitless. With the pace of development showing no sign of slowing down, the future of AI is an exciting frontier to watch. And we are here in SAS Hackathon 2023, challenging ourselves to build an innovative application that creates a meaningful impact across the industries that strongly believes in data analytics is the way forward.
Hi, my name is Mayur. I am a senior BI developer at Poston Norge.
Hi, I'm Mitesh. I am senior BI developer.
As the technology evolves, numerous tools and applications are being developed every single day. Today, we are introducing you the game-changing platform that is transforming the way we work with the data analytics.
That's right. COVID-19 pandemic has completely changed the way we operate.
To keep up with the ever-changing world, SAS GPT is one of the upcoming AI data analytics platform.
Now AI is dramatically changing the way we work, the tools we use, and the amount of data we process.
Whether you are a data analyst, business user, or a student, SAS GPT can help you get the answers you need to make informed decisions.
Just ask the chatbot what you need. With SAS GPT, say goodbye to complex coding and say hello to plain and simple instructions.
The platform uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand your questions around your data and provide accurate results.
Get ready to experience the personalized AI analytics for future ourselves.
This is Fruda, a business analyst who works for a reputed company. He spends most of the time going through the reports and analyze datasets. He develops best practices for data collection and analyze current processes so that it can be improved to the greatest extent possible. He suggests solution-oriented changes that improve an organization's overall efficiency, including process optimization, cost reduction, and identifying fresh business opportunities. But there is a problem. The hurdle. Not everyone is technical and knows how to write programs. Even though if you know basic coding, one missing semicolon can waste you a lot of time. Analyzing data can be a time-consuming process, especially for people who do not know much about programming. Also, some organizations may have limited resources to hire and train new people. Hence, they need a cost-effective solution. With so much data available, it can be hard to find new insights without spending a lot of time analyzing data. For any specific analytics or ad hoc queries, people are dependent on SAS developers. Problems like these are rare. Fruda and people like him are facing these problems on a daily basis. To help these amazing people, we have got one solution, the SAS GPT. SAS GPT can empower users and enable them to do more with less with maximum accuracy. But how? Just by writing instructions in plain English language and possibly in your own native language near soon. With SAS GPT, you can analyze any dataset you want much faster than before. You can ask any data-related questions and receive insights in real time. It can also help you to troubleshoot and find data-related issues. There are tons of other use cases where SAS GPT can be useful. The SAS GPT app provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to interact with the app. The app uses a conversational chatbot interface that allows you to ask questions and receive data-related insights in real time. When you want to analyze the data, you write SAS code something like this. It's not difficult but definitely time-consuming. Let me introduce you a new way of doing this. How about replacing this code with a simple prompt? You can simply write Can you create line plot chart that displays sales by day for each store? That's it. With no time, you receive the output. How cool is that? This is the real power of SAS Viya Python, an AI model that runs on the natural language processing. Welcome to the new era of AI. SAS Viya is an analytical platform that offers faster processing, cloud deployment, and a modern web-based interface for data preparation, data exploration, and model deployment. Here we are using SAS Cloud Analytics Services, Python, and REST API to run a SAS GPT application. In this high-level architecture of SAS GPT application, there are majorly three components are involved. First, web application, which is built in Python Flask. The second, SAS GPT model, which has three main components: NLP instructions, SAS code, and environment configuration. The last one, SAS Data Warehouse, where we use SAS Cloud Analytics Services. All the three components are very well interconnected to each other. We are using REST API to make integrations between SAS Viya Python Flask web application. For the demonstration purpose, we have created a few sample datasets such as employees, sales, order, revenue, and so on. Let me run this code to create these datasets in work library. So further we can push it on Cloud Analytics SAS user library. We have another SAS code called as SAS GPT _NLP instructions, where we have written predefined instructions followed by their SAS code. NLP instructions are a very important part of our model. The accuracy of application depended on the data we have in NLP instructions. The dataset can be self-trained further by taking user feedback and analyzing user interactions with the app. This also needs to be pushed in SAS library. Let me run this code as well and cross-verify whether this NLP instruction dataset is available in SAS user library or not. Just look at the datasets. We have raw instructions, raw SAS code, and then equivalent instructions and SAS code. Here is our model code, SAS GPT model execution. This code will run when user sends user input. For now, let me hardcode user input text and run this code. It will scan NLP instructions and find the best possible match, extract the corresponding SAS code, execute it, and shows the output. Let me copy this under public directory and create a job definition. We can easily trigger this job by passing user input string through Python web application. Now let's go back to Visual Studio, where we have Python notebook. This is how Python web page is using REST API to connect to SAS Viya. We are creating SAS token and refresh token to use it further for authentication. There is a very good documentation available on SAS Viya REST API at developer.sas.com/api/rest. This is a small code where we use to trigger SAS job from Python. All these codes are integrated in SAS GPT _app.py. This is the main code for our app. Our web application is built using this index.html and style.css. Now it's time to trigger web application services so we can launch the application. In this beautiful application, you can ask your data related questions. For example, you want to see sales by day by store, and SAS GPT will return with the exact information you wanted to see. Let's take one more example. Now you want to calculate average product revenue by quarter. And here we go. Simple, straightforward, but very useful platform. With the great technology comes great responsibility. It seems there is a significant disconnect between user expectations and organization approaches around the data privacy and use of data. AI technologies often involve the processing and analyzing large amount of data. This raises concerns around how data is collected, stored, and used, and we must address these concerns. We take data privacy seriously. SAS GPT is closed web application. Access on SAS GPT is restricted according to the organizational user access policy. Data level restrictions are added to protect unauthorized read or write activity through the application. It is also possible to verify output but looking at the logs and executed code. SAS GPT platform can be a great help to discover new insights that you may have missed otherwise, and simplifies data analysis processes. With the help of SAS GPT, unleash the power of innovation with the data analytics and AI to create meaningful impact.